What up, what up, what up, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Crypto Prince aka C Prince, and on this channel I will show you how to gain and retain wealth in crypto. And in today's video we're just going to talk about the Fear and Greed Index. We're going to be focusing on two coins mainly, which is XRP and Electroneum. But before we get into the charts, let's take a look on the price action of the day. We see Bitcoin at 31,600 and that's down 8%. Today we've seen a very bearish day. We've seen a very red day. There's blood in the streets right now, guys, and when we get into the articles you'll understand why I use this frame or this term. There is blood in the street right now, literally, right? Literally blood on the street everywhere. 24 hours, everything is down. Majority of the cryptos are down. It's a very bloody day. So we see Ethereum at 1,187, that's down 9%. We see Polkadot up 3%, one of the only gainers of the day. We see XRP down 5%, and that's 27 cents. We see Cardano at 33 cents, down 5%. We see Litecoin at $133, that's down 7.9%. We see Bitcoin Cash at $439 and that's down 10%. We see Chainlink at $19 and that's down 4%. We see Binance Coin at $39 and that's down 4%. On the news, we see South Korea, Dunamu, launches Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index to guide traders. So it says that South Korea fintech firm Dunamu, operator of cryptocurrency exchange Upbit, has developed a digital asset fear and greed index aimed to help investors and traders make better decisions. So this is a new tool that will reflect different levels of sentiment from extreme fear to extreme greed, according to the Korean Herald report Tuesday. Update every 5 minutes. The index uses data on market volatility along with the trading price and transaction volume. So basically this is how it looks, right? So when it's over here, it's showing that the market is extremely greedy, and when it's over here, it's showing that the market is extremely fearful. And obviously, this is the mid-range, meaning it's a mid-range sentiment, right? So I believe that this is a bullish case for the space. So we see in the traditional market, we've got loads of different indexes and we've got loads of different indicators for traders to rely on or to help guide them to make better trading decisions. So now we're seeing these things are being developed for cryptocurrency. So if this is one of the first, I'm only bullish for the future of trading in the space. So there's a famous quote by Baron Rothschild that says, "Buy when the streets are bloody." So there's a famous quote by Baron Rothschild that says, "Buy when the streets are bloody," right? Even if it's your own blood. So lots of people always talk about the first part of this quote to say buy when the streets are bloody. However, there's a further clause to it that says even if it's your own blood, right? Even if it's your own blood. And another famous investment quote by Warren Buffett says, "You pay a very high price in the stock market for a cherry consensus." And that simply means that if everyone agrees with your decision, with your investment decision, then that's probably not a good one, right? If everyone agrees that, listen, if everyone agrees that, listen, this is a very good project, we should invest in it, then trust me, it's not a good one. And that's not, don't even trust me, trust Warren Buffett is the one that says that, right? One of the most famous investors of all time, one of the most successful investors of all time says that, right? Because so if there's no fear around that investment, then potentially that investment is not worthwhile because there's too much people that trust, that believe in this thing. But when you get into how to find a good project is when when some people, if not majority of people, don't believe in this project, and then you take a risk on it and then that risk pays off. So I will use two crypto right now as example, right? I will use Electroneum. So lots of people in the past was hurt by Electroneum. Now I understand the sentiment, I understand the psychological barrier. When you get hurt by a project, you don't want to invest in it, right? And a lot of people were hurt by Electroneum. So right now, on this chart now, as we see, this means fearful and this means extremely greedy. Now for Electroneum, I see majority of the people are very fearful right now. They're very fearful. And this is why I made a video previously about Electroneum. I got a lot of stick for it. However, I don't care because I still believe if you invest in a project that lots of people find skeptical, and a lot of people don't believe in it for whatever reason, because of previous action, whatever happened in the past, or whatever the project is not doing right. If a lot of people don't believe in it, then that's a good opportunity, that's a good buying opportunity. However, that's a big risk you're taking, right? Bear in mind, that's a big risk you're taking. So this is the time to get very good investment when it's at a fair. When a project is at a fair level, that's the best time to buy in. Now, when a project reaches extremely greedy, yeah, so this is the best time to sell when the needle is extremely greedy, right? Because basically the market is oversaturated, it's overbought, and sooner rather than later the price is going to go down, and then you're going to lose on your investment. You're going to lose whether profit, or then if you buy at these levels, you might be losing potential capital, right? So another project I will talk about is XRP, right? Because of the SEC suing XRP, lots of people are bashing XRP. I'm not bashing XRP. I believe that XRP would have gone to extremely high levels this bull run. However, because of this SEC ruling, or this suing, or this SEC case, I believe that it's still going to do a good thing, but I believe that it's not going to do as good as it should have. However, it's still a very good opportunity, because right now, because of the SEC ruling, lots of people are selling the XRP. So right now, I believe the XRP is at this side, right? This side is fair. Everyone is fearful of holding XRP. No one wants to take the risk. And once again, two top investors, we know that Rothschild family is one of the biggest investment family of all times, right? And Baron Rothschild saying that, listen, buy when the streets are bloody, especially even if it's your own blood. Even if it's your own blood, buy when it's bloody. Still buy, even if there's a potential of even if there's a potential of you losing, man, you have to take the risk. Because if you know the history of the Rothschild family, you know that they basically made their fortune based on the panic that followed the Battle of Waterloo against Napoleon, right? So this is how the Rothschild make majority of their profits when everyone was scared to invest. Imagine there's a war, there's a battle, there's a war going on right now, and just after the war, you're buying stuff, right? Everyone is thinking about their life, everyone thinking about how to survive, but there's someone out there thinking about, how can I make more money? How can I use this for my advantage? There's also another Chinese proverb that says every crisis is an opportunity, right? So imagine there's a war going on, and just after the war, people are thinking about how they're going to survive, where they're going to find food to eat, what's going to happen with their family, what's going to happen with their homes, if it's been bombed or whatever. They're thinking about the now, but someone is thinking about the future, right? And whenever you think about the future, you're more than likely you're the one more than likely is gonna be on the top after the dust is settled. So I believe that XRP will go to higher levels in the near future and in the long-term future. I don't believe this is the end for XRP. So right now I'm basically dollar cost average into XRP, because right now you want to always go against the crowd, right? Majority of the time you want to go against the crowd. So whenever you see a crowd is going one direction, which is this direction, everyone is selling, then you want to start buying, right? You want to go against the crowd. Everyone is selling, you're going this direction, right? So when XRP reaches these level now, you're going against the crowd. You're selling now, because it's becoming too public now. It's becoming too common. It's becoming overbought now. Everyone's buying back in, because whatever is going to happen with the SEC, XRP is going to get over it. I don't know, but what I'm saying is that there's big opportunities when you go against the crowd. That's all I'm saying, right? So I'm just dollar cost and averaging XRP, because you never know. They could come through this lawsuit on top, right? And basically go to $10, go to $20, go to $5, go to $3. We don't know, but potentially there's a big opportunities in XRP and Electroneum. These are two examples that I'm using, but there's other coins in the space that people are fearful of because of previous action from a team member, or whatever reasons why they don't trust the project anymore. So thanks guys for watching my video. Make sure you like, subscribe and share. Click the notification bell and then click all so you can see all of my videos. And also, if you don't click the notification bell and click all, potentially you'll be missing out on my Ethereum giveaways. So each time I go up by 100 subscribers, I'll be doing an Ethereum giveaway. But if your notification bell isn't on, you won't be able to see that you won, and you won't be able to claim those free cryptos. So make sure your notification bells are on and you click all. And also guys, make sure you click the like button, because this helps with the YouTube algorithm. So catch you in the next video guys. Goodbye.